Choosing the right software can make or break your Amazon business. If you've been looking at Helium 10 and AMZScout but aren't sure which one to pick, you're in the right place. In this video, we're doing a head-to-head comparison to see which tool offers the best data, the best features, and the best return on your investment. I've added the best discount links for both tools in the video description below, so make sure to check those out to save some serious money. Also, if you want to see how these two stack up against other major players in the market, like JungleScout or Viral Launch, I've included a comparison link in the description as well. Let's start with Helium 10. This is widely considered the gold standard for serious sellers who want to grow their business to the highest levels. Helium 10 is an all-in-one operations suite. Its data accuracy is the highest in the industry, sitting at about 96%. This means the sales estimates and keyword volumes you see are as close to reality as possible. One of the standout features is Cerebro. This is a spy tool for keywords. You plug in a competitor's product code, and it reveals every secret phrase they are using to get sales. It feels almost like cheating. Then there is Atomic. This is a built-in tool that manages your Amazon advertising for you. It helps you stop wasting money on ads that don't work without you having to be a math genius. Helium 10 has a bit of a learning curve, but if you want the most powerful data available to scale to 7 figures, this is the clear winner. Next is AMZScout. If you are a new seller or you're working with a tighter budget, this is usually the better entry point. AMZScout focuses on being extremely user-friendly. It isn't as complex as Helium 10, which makes it much faster to learn and start using immediately. While they are known for being beginner-friendly, their new AI bundle is where the real value is now. When you grab the yearly AI bundle, they actually include a one-on-one mentor call and a booming product idea. Having an actual expert look at your plan is huge for beginners. They also offer specific booster add-ons. Whether you want to do private label with their AI listing builder or reselling and arbitrage with their specialized extension, you can customize the tool to fit exactly how you want to make money. AMZScout is perfect if you want a simplified tool, AI-assisted help, and personal mentorship to get started. When we look at the return on investment, it really comes down to your specific goals. If you invest in Helium 10, you are paying for precision. One bad product choice based on wrong data can cost you thousands of dollars, so many professional sellers see the price of Helium 10 as a form of insurance. If you choose the AMZScout yearly bundle, you are prioritizing support and ease of use. Between the AI tools and the mentor call, you're getting a guided path to your first sale. As I mentioned, these aren't the only two options. To see how these two compare to other major players in the market, I've put together a full comparison guide at the link in the description. The best tool is the one that fits your current stage. If you want the absolute best data and the most advanced tools, get Helium 10. If you want a guided experience with AI tools and personal mentorship, get AMZScout. Remember, I've added the best discount links for both in the video description. Both tools offer money-back guarantees, so there is no risk in trying them out for yourself. Stop guessing and start using the data. Click the links below to see the full comparison and grab your discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.